The seated cable decline chest press primarily targets the lower chest muscles along with secondary engagement from the triceps and anterior deltoids. The main difference between the seated versus the standing cable decline chest press is the seated variation provides more stability as it doesn't require as much core activation to stabilize the movement when standing. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust an incline bench to approximately 75-degree angle, then position it facing out in front of a dual cable machine. Attach a set of D handles, then adjust the pulleys to be close to shoulder height. Sit on the bench with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Grab the handles with both hands with a palms facing down grip with your elbows bent at 90 degrees positioned at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Push the handles forward in a downward motion, straightening your arms while keeping a slight bend in the elbows. At the end of the movement, your hands should be close to in line with your belly button. Pause to contract your chest muscles, then under control, slowly reverse the movement to bring the handles back to the starting position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.